Not every potential customer books immediately. Some call to ask a question, submit a form, or message the shop, then disappear. AI lead nurturing helps you stay in touch with those prospects automatically so they do not forget about your business. Instead of letting leads go cold, AI can send follow-up texts or emails that answer common concerns, remind them to schedule, or encourage them to take the next step. This is especially useful for higher value jobs or customers comparing multiple shops. Timing matters, and consistent communication builds trust. AI does not replace your personal touch. It supports it by making sure people hear from your business before they move on. Many shops lose revenue simply because no one followed up fast enough. America's Best Shops helps auto repair businesses build smart marketing systems that keep leads warm, improve conversion rates, and turn more inquiries into actual appointments. In a competitive local market, follow-up is not optional. It is a major revenue opportunity.